Hi, this is Victor. When was the last time we talked about page titles on the internet? Never? Well, next time you browse the web, have a look at the top of your browser window and see what you find there. If you find something there, well, that's probably a page title. If you don't find anything there, well, that's where the page title should have gone. I'm going to show you one of the situations where page titles are quite useful, especially if you're on a mobile phone. So developers, please take a note, and users, if you find yourself in a similar situation, at least you'll know where the problem comes from.
Alright, so we're in Safari browser on the iPhone. Looking at the article from fastcompany.com. The article talks about a really cool app called ScriptKit that allows you to prototype any idea you have right on your iPhone without having to download your code anywhere or do anything fancy with it. And it's really cool app that lets you quickly program whatever you have in your mind. Anyways, but if you look at the top of this window, the only phrase you see is Fast Company. And this is the title of the page that I was talking about. Normally it wouldn't be a problem because you could always scroll down, look at the content, and figure out what the main topic of the article is, or even look at the heading of this article, and you'd know what to do with this and what the article is talking about. However, if I tried emailing this to somebody, let's have a look what happens.
Utilities button. Utilities button. Mail button. 2. Text field.
Looking at the subject of this message, the only phrase you see is Fast Company. That's the phrase we saw at the top of the window in Safari. Now, if I wanted to make this message meaningful, I'd have to actually delete this text and type something new. Otherwise, my friend or whoever I'm sending this to may think it's a spam and easily ignore the message. Let's cancel out of this.
Cancel button. Alert. Delete draft. Link. Pages. 2 button. Fast Company button. Page 1. An eye-opening video.
Here's another article. This one is from nextweb.com, and it talks about an eye-opening experience of blind people using Instagram on the iPhone. Looking at the top of this window, you will actually see the full title of the article, an eye-opening experience, how blind people can use Instagram on their iPhones. If I tried emailing this article to someone,
Utilities button. Mail button. 2. Text field.
looking at the subject of this message, you will see that it contains the name of the article I'm about to send to somebody, with the address of the article in the body of the message. Really convenient, nothing I have to delete, nothing I have to retype, just click send and off it would go.
Send. Dim.
Oh, and by the way, that thing you heard talking in the background, that was my favorite screen reader on iOS, called VoiceOver. Okay, that's the only one we have on iOS, but still my favorite one. So I just wanted to let you know. Thanks everybody for watching. Find me on Twitter at VICK08 and elsewhere on the internet. Speak soon.